Hey there! We're back with a new feature that you're absolutely going to love. The new feature is called Teams and it allows you to invite other users to your terminal account. This is a great feature, especially if you have multiple staff members in your company. It will improve your workflow and make your business run more smoothly than ever before. Now, let's get started with setting up your Teams account. First, you must have an existing Terminal Africa account. You can quickly sign up by following the link in the description box below. Once you've signed up, or if you already have an account, then you log in. Once you're logged in, go to the dashboard menu and click on Teams, just under the account section. Here, you can add a new team member by selecting the Add Member button. Just enter the email address of your staff and you're good to go. You can even choose whether you want to give them access to all or some of your account features, like creating shipments or them being able to withdraw money or manage users, your choice. After completing these easy steps, the member would receive an email invitation to join your team in Terminal Africa. They can either log into their existing account or create a new one. Note that they have to log in or sign up using their email address that you invited. Once they've logged in, you and your team members are all set to work together on the same dashboard. We have other helpful tutorials on our channels, from how to sign up to how to arrange shipments. Feel free to look through. Thank you for watching.